Hello everybody, welcome back to the shop. This video, I'm not going to do a turning on this video. I'm just going to catch up on some sticker swaps that I've got. So 'cause I've got kind of behind on that. Of course, I hadn't been to the post office this week. I was about 7-8 days of going, so I went today and I had a whole box full. But show you the ones I got. Excuse me. Get off choking. So but this one here, got one from Railside Woodworks. He's out of Canada. Does some great work. Check him out. I followed him on Instagram, and he's got a lot of his listings on Instagram, a lot of his work on Instagram. Great craftsmanship. Yeah. Check him out on Instagram, follow him. Does some good stuff. But that's Railside Woodworks. Also got, let's see, this is Chad Eames. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Chad Eames Woodwork. He's on the Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. He's got a YouTube channel. Check his stuff out. He does some great turnings on his sticker. That bowl he's got on his sticker there, it's on there. That's pretty awesome. The video of him doing this bowl. Yeah, check him out. Show him some support. Like his channel. We got this is Christian. Let's see. Skorkowicz. I hope I'm pronouncing his last name right too. But I can't remember exactly where he's located. It's not the U.S. I'm thinking Germany. Some of you guys has probably seen him there. I follow him on Instagram. He does some real good stuff. I don't think he has a YouTube channel. I'm not 100% sure. I couldn't find it, but he does have Instagram. I've seen a lot of his work on there. Does some great stuff. Does a lot of epoxy designs. But check him out. Thank you for the sticker. He does wood and epoxy, all kind of wooden designs. But yeah, it's Christian Skorkowicz. I think. Be sure to go Instagram, check his stuff out. Does some really good stuff too. Like I said, I couldn't find a YouTube channel for him, but I'm pretty sure he messaged me. He said he had one. I just couldn't find it. I'll keep search him up there. The next one I got is Upper Left Creations. He does some great stuff too. I follow him on the Instagram and also YouTube. Does a lot of woodworking, not only woodworking, but building. Does some great stuff. Refurbish old lumber and stuff like that. Check him out, Upper Left Creations. Sent me two different stickers there, and I'll get all these on the board. I've got to get me another board. I didn't fill up the second one, so I'm gonna have to start on a third one. And I've got to get some stickers mailed out too. I've got about 15 I've got to get mailed out. I got some ready to go. I just hadn't put them in the box. And then the last one here is Harvester Woodworks. He does have a YouTube channel. Awesome stuff. Be sure to check him out. Subscribe to his channel if you like his work. Show him some support. He sent me 2 different stickers, Harvester Woodworks and Harvester Drone Photography. I guess he does some photography too. That's pretty cool. So check him out. Thank you, Harv, for the stickers. And we'll get yours mailed out next day or so. Like I say, I've got a little behind. I've got some to mail. I've got way behind on doing, I've got a lot of orders that had come in, I guess, for Christmas gifts. Bukus of my little hummingbird houses. I I know I talk about them a lot. But that's pretty much when I started wood turning. That was probably one of the first projects that I had started, and that pretty much it funds my shop. It bought probably 75% of my tools that I needed for wood turning, woodworking. I already had some, but I just upgraded and got bigger and better. My next investment is going to be, I'm going to get a bigger lathe. Hopefully within the next couple months, that'll be coming. I'm shopping around right now, trying to find one. I'm trying to find one local, so I don't have to pay that crazy shipping fee. If I can find one local, that'd be great. But here where I live, small town North Carolina, don't have a lot of options. We got, Harbor Freight, and there's a Northern Tool, and we got Lowe's. Home Depot's close, but they don't really have exactly what I'm looking for. Not saying they have bad product, by no means. I just it's not what I'm looking for. They sell some Jet and Grizzly stuff like that, but I'm still shopping. I'm looking. But yeah, just trying to get caught up on all these crafts I'm doing, like say Christmas gifts. I just came back a couple hours ago from the post office shipping a lot of them. Shipped almost 45 little hummingbird houses that I had made. That's why I didn't do a video last week. I was so busy doing that and got behind. Still a little behind. Got about 35 more to go right now. Some pending orders. But I'm gonna try to get a video in. Hopefully tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll get some kind of little video in. Something I'll do. I done a short on a block. Whatever I did with it. Right here. On this old block of hemlock. I done a short on this block of hemlock. I'm gonna do something with it. Something kind of crazy. It'll be a bowl. I think I'm gonna do a bowl with it. But I'm gonna leave the corners, but the corners are actually gonna be in the middle, so I'm gonna cut. This will be gone, this will be gone. I'm gonna leave the center with the corners. It'll be like a three-dimensional, or not a three-dimensional. I don't know what you call it, but anyway, you'll see it in the video. I'll probably hit that tomorrow. Do something with this. Don't know. I change my mind all the time. It just depends. Not spending a lot of time out here today because it's kind of cold. It's only like 30, 31, 32 degrees outside. A little cold in here. Got the heater on, but anyway. So yeah, check all these guys out. Check their channels out. Follow them on Instagram, whatever. Check out their work. Do some awesome stuff. And we'll see everybody on the next video. Hope everybody stays safe, stay well, stay away from that flu. That's some bad stuff. I haven't had it, knock on wood. But but anyway, everybody stay safe, and thanks a lot for the sticker swaps and support. All the subscribers, all the new subscribers that's coming. So y'all stay safe, and we'll see you on the next video.